Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change numbering in Google Docs table of content. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Google Docs app. Then firstly, go to your table of content. Now select the table of content and click this. Then go to the heading option and select normal text. Again select go to the heading of table of content and click this and go to the heading style drop down menu and select normal text. Refresh that. Click the this and select normal text. Again refresh this. Now here we can see change numbering in Google Docs table of content very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.